Hey everybody, Wyoming James checking in one more time from the Urban Micro Farm. Well, it is day 7 of Operation Chicken Farmer, and as you can see here, we're still in the chicken business. They're growing. The chicks are growing. We were gone basically a day and a half, almost 2 days, and the chicks are just getting big. I mean, they're getting so big. They're starting to lose some of that. Some of those little fuzzies that they had on them. I don't even know what you call those, but starting to lose those fuzzies, and they're starting to grow in pin feathers, and they're starting to really show some improvement here. Some of them have, as Grandma Dana told us when we got back, some of them have figured out that if they hop up on top of the little guzzlers, they can see out of these brooders. And as you can hear, some of them are getting real vocal. But anyway. We did, while we were gone, I think it was day 6, maybe day 6, Grandma Dana discovered that we had lost another one. So I think that puts us at 5. I think that puts us at 5 total lost. Again, don't know what happened. She said they were all doing well. Everybody was looking good. Also, just check this out real quick. Hopefully you can see this right here. Right there's our little guy. That's the one that had kind of the bum leg. He's still with us. He hasn't kicked off yet, but he's still not 100%. We've got him segregated yet. Tomorrow I think we're going to get some decent weather, and hopefully we can get these things back out into the garden and the chicken dozer again. But for right now, we're just keeping them here and trying to keep them all alive. I don't know what the heck to do other than to just keep going. So we had a great trip. It was a nice time away, but we're back. We're in full-on chicken raising mode again, and that was kind of neat. I don't know if you saw that. That was kind of fun. They're getting real active. They're flapping their wings a lot, running around a lot. So I'm hoping that by the end of this week, on into the weekend, I'm hoping we can get these things out in the chicken tractors. Hopefully they're all well enough that we can do that. So just wanted to check in and let you know that we're back at it. So expect some more videos coming soon. Wyoming James checking out again from the Urban Micro Farm.